Welcome to my views on news. Welcome to my orange shirt. People say, Sajid, you look like a prisoner when you are wearing this orange shirt. So, another video from the prisoner. Firstly, at the Arkay front, Tigray forces have shared a video from Addi Arkay city where Tigray fighters can be seen celebrating Maskell with the locals there. Secondly, a singer in Addis Ababa was assaulted last night, reportedly. Who is the singer? The singer remained in police custody for some time, a few weeks ago, then he was released. Thirdly, we have some pictures for you. A viewer shared these pictures with me, and these pictures are being shared on some social media platforms. Allegedly, the pictures show destroyed weapons of Tigray forces. The pictures are being shared by some accounts with tens of thousands of followers. Lastly, is there any difference between the rain which falls in Ethiopia and the rain which falls in other countries? I have a clip for you of an Ethiopian religious leader who is talking about the difference of rain falling in Ethiopia and other parts of the world. Firstly, viewers, at the Arkay front, Tigray forces are in control of Addi Arkay, but 2 to 3 days ago, Tigray fighters entered Addi Arkay, did some videos on that, and TDF advanced from Addi Arkay towards Zarima, and now fighting is being reported near Bormarium, near Choba. Is it called Chober? Pronunciation, is it Chober or Chor? So Tigray forces have advanced up to Chober, and their control of Addi Arkay is being confirmed by some videos, pictures. A video has been shared by Tigray fighters from Addi Arkay. The video shows Tigray fighters celebrating Maskell with locals. Maskell Damra was celebrations were on Tuesday and Monday. It means that the video is a new video, not an old video. So again, a confirmation that Addi Arkay is now under a TDF control. No denial from Amhara regional government, from Ethiopian federal government backed news sources. Watch the video from Addi Arkay showing TDF fighters celebrating Maskell with locals. Second viewers, an Ethiopian singer was assaulted last night. His name is Dagne Wale. Yesterday, another Ethiopian singer passed away, Medingo Afewerk. He will be buried on Thursday. And Dagne Wale was attending the gathering at Medingo Afewerk's house to offer condolences there in Addis Ababa. He went there and he returned from Medingo's house at night. While he was on his way back home, he was assaulted by some unknown attackers who were armed. Dagne Wale was mildly injured. His pictures are being shared with mild injuries. A few weeks ago, he was arrested by Ethiopian federal forces. He remained in custody for several days. Later, he was released. Who attacked him? Some pro-government activists, some intelligence officials, or some of attackers from Oromia. It's not clear who attacked him, but he was attacked. It wasn't an attempted robbery, he was just beaten. So it means that it was a targeted attack on him to humiliate him, to teach him a lesson. The man is known for speaking for the people of the Amhara region. He was seen speaking in support of Fano fighters as well. So he's one of those singers, activists in the Amhara region who are vocal when it comes to Amhara issues. Thirdly, viewers, some pictures are being shared. It is being claimed the pictures show drone strikes which were conducted on some TDF assets, TDF military assets. Destroyed weapons can be seen. Several viewers sent these pictures to me as well, and several social media influencers are sharing these pictures as evidence that TDF is suffering heavy losses. One account with hundreds of thousands of followers is sharing these pictures. Have a look at these pictures. These pictures are not related to Tigray, Ethiopia war. The pictures were shared in April and the pictures show the ongoing losses suffered by forces in Russia-Ukraine conflict. The pictures are from that conflict. They are not from this Tigray-Ethiopia conflict. So I always say that massive disinformation campaign is underway. Both sides are involved. They have launched their activists. Ready-made messages are being sent, which these activists, these users then propagate. Pictures, videos are sometimes fake as well. Sometimes we are deceived too. So don't believe whatever is being said. And false claims are being made about infliction of losses, about territorial control as well. So that is why go slow when it comes to believing the propaganda launched by all sides. Lastly, I have a question. Is there any difference between the rain which falls in Ethiopia and which falls in other countries? An Ethiopian church leader talked about the rain which falls in Ethiopia. He described the rain as holy rain. What did he say about the rain which falls in Ethiopia and other countries? I won't comment. I will just share this clip with you, which shows that Ethiopian Orthodox Church, which people respect, which people respect a lot, should need to modernize a bit, I think. Age-old beliefs, which are sometimes against religious teachings as well. They have nothing to do with actual religious teachings. They are held by some of these officials of the church. And we know the church is involved in politics as well. I have seen covering this region that Ethiopian Orthodox Church is one of the pillars of power in Ethiopia. It's not obviously as strong as Ethiopian National Defense Force, as the government in power, but still it is a pillar of power in Ethiopia. But it seems that there are people in the church who need to modernize a little, I think. Watch the clip of an Ethiopian church leader about holy rain in Ethiopia. Thank you for watching.
ዝናብ ሙሉ ቀን ሲዘንብበት ሆኖ እቤቱ ልብሱን ቀይሮ በጤናው ተኝቶ የሚያድር ህዝብ ኢትዮጵያ ብቻ ነው። ሌላ ሀገር አንድ ሰዓት ዝናብ ከዘነበበት ታሞ ሆስፒታል ይገባል ወይ ይሞታል። ዝናቡ መርዝ ነው። ኢትዮጵያ ዝናቡ እንኳን ጸበል ነው። ዝናቡ እንኳን በረከት